Hello, today I'd like you to welcome Mr. Corrigan, a patient of mine who is due to have laser resurfacing for his extensive Rhinophyma, a condition that causes thickening of the skin of the nose. Please welcome him and he will discuss the impact the condition is having on his quality of life.
I'm retired, so I don't go to work, and so that lessens the impact. It's just if I go anywhere, with friends or my wife or whatever, I just feel very conscious, if you're in a restaurant or something like this, I just feel very conscious that people might be looking at me and wondering why it looks so horrible, basically.
So it's been a few weeks since this gentleman has had laser treatment for his Rhinophyma. You remember from the video previously. And now it's a pleasure to welcome this gentleman back in the clinic. So here you are. If you don't mind just telling the viewers how you feel about your overall treatment and your journey so far in his treatment, sir.
I'm really over the moon with the results that have been achieved. When I look back at the pictures, the way it was previous to the treatment, it's unbelievable how bad it was in comparison to what it is now. I'm really happy with the results.